Hi everyone, it's Andrea over at Sewspire.com. I hope you're doing well. I want to give you a little preview of tomorrow's sewing project. This is a small Presslock purse. It measures approximately 6.5 by 8.5 and it is perfect for summer living. You have the adjustable crossbody strap. You have a full-length padded rear pocket, the press lock closure here with the flap, and then there is an additional pocket on the front here, and then inside are two tall narrow pockets, one for your glasses and one for your keys, and then there's just enough cargo space on the inside to hold the coordinating Presslock wallet, which we're going to sew together next Friday. So if this looks like a project you'd like to know how to make, or you want one of these darling bags for yourself, please join me tomorrow, Friday, noon Eastern, on the Sewspire YouTube channel. I'll see you there.